Alô, boas-vindas à residência oficial do embaixador de Angola. Eu sou Fátima Lima Xavier, esposa do embaixador. Vou aproveitar para apresentar-vos o nosso chefe cozinheiro.
Hello, I'm Aaron Malyari, chef of Angola Embassy.
Today, I am going to introduce to the Japanese people our traditional food from Angola, different dishes. I am going to introduce the pastéis de Bakalyau. This can be the first because we use this for the appetizer, for the snack. You can eat with salad. Delicious, very, very good. You can make at home. It's easy to do. Pastéis de Bakalyau é típico português, that you know the Portuguese stay a lot of time in our country. And we eat this in Angola too, the pastéis de Bakalyau. This pastéis de Bakalyau, it's with this special fish. Bakalyau is cod fish. Cod fish, salt. We need to put this in water, normally 24 hours, to retard the salt. After retard the salt, we cook. For 5 minutes, we cook the cold, all the bone, and we divide in small portion. After we cook the potato, we mash the potato like a puree. You mix all this and this. This is the Italian parsley that we use, and we mix. You see the texture here. We have the Italian parsley inside, you see, and the onion too. We mix very well. You can mix with one thing and after finish with the hand, okay? You put 4 eggs. You bat the eggs in one thing, okay? After you mix too, all this, and you prepare like this. We take a portion. You do this like this, okay? You can do with. And after we fry at the temperature of 200 degrees, and it's finished. I'm going to introduce you the muamba. It's another Angola traditional food. It consists to cook chicken, and we cook this with the palm oil. Palm oil, but the pulp of palm oil. Caldo de peixe. Caldo de peixe is like a soup. We have here cassava. We have sweet potato, we have fish, and we have prawn. A dish from Angola, traditional. This plate is the traditional from Angola, very traditional. The calulu, it's a different kind of fish. We have the salt, the dry fish, salt, and we have the fresh fish, boiled with the palm oil. And we have the okra and the spinach and other vegetable. And we eat with the sauce with fungi of cassava flour or other flour, corn flour too.